It is that day where things didn't go well and your thoughts are just swirling around in your head, making it hard to focus or reflect. It happens to all of us, and the solution might be simpler than you think. This simple practice can bring clarity to your chaotic thoughts, help you set and achieve your goals, and boost your creativity and also improve your mood. Writing a daily diary can be a truly transformative, and I'm excited to share with you just how much of an impact it can have on your life. By committing to putting your thoughts and feelings down on paper each day, you can experience personal growth, emotional clarity, and improved mental health. It's a powerful tool that can help you process your emotions, gain valuable insights, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself. The benefits are endless, and I'm going to dive into some of the most significant advantages of daily diary writing, from increasing self-awareness to boosting creativity, and from reducing stress to improving goal setting. This simple habit can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. So, if you're ready to take control of your thoughts, emotions, and goals, then keep watching, because you're about to learn how writing a daily diary can be life-changing. When we take the time to reflect on our thoughts and feelings, we gain a better understanding of ourselves. We start to see patterns, identify areas for improvement, and develop empathy for ourselves and others. Diary writing is an incredible way to practice self-reflection, allowing us to dive deeper into our minds and explore our thoughts and emotions. By doing so, we can develop a greater sense of self-awareness, which is essential for personal growth and emotional intelligence. Through diary writing, we can become more mindful of our thoughts and emotions, and this increased awareness can lead to positive changes in our behavior. We start to make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and build stronger relationships. It's an incredible feeling, knowing that you have the power to shape your life and create the future you desire. Diary writing is also an excellent way to tap into your creative side. When we write freely without judgment or criticism, our minds are able to flow freely and new ideas start to emerge. It's an incredible feeling, watching your thoughts and ideas come to life on paper. This creative freedom can translate into other areas of your life, helping you approach problems with a fresh perspective and come up with innovative solutions. When we write, we release our emotions, and this can be incredibly liberating. Diary writing provides a safe space for us to express ourselves, letting go of stress, anxiety, and fear. This emotional release can lead to improved mental health, reduced stress, and a better overall mood. It's an amazing feeling, knowing that you have a healthy outlet for your emotions and that you're taking care of your mental well-being. One of the most significant benefits of diary writing is its impact on goal setting and accountability. When we write down our goals and aspirations, we're more likely to take action and make progress. Diary writing helps us track our progress, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated. It's an incredible feeling, watching your goals become a reality, and knowing that you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. But the benefits of diary writing don't stop there. When we maintain a daily diary, we create a personal history that can be revisited and cherished over time. It's an incredible feeling, looking back on your journey and seeing how far you've come. You'll be able to reflect on your experiences, identify patterns, and appreciate your growth. Maintaining a daily diary can be a truly transformative experience. It's a powerful tool that can help you discover your passions, values, and goals. It's a way to connect with yourself, understand your emotions, and develop a deeper sense of self-awareness. By committing to this simple habit, you can experience personal growth, improved mental health, and a greater sense of fulfillment. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards a more mindful, creative, and fulfilling life, then start writing your daily diary today. Share your own diary experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out another one of my videos on personal development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.